Do you want to be more successful in your personal and professional life? Do you want to have more friends and influence people? If so, then you need to learn how to win friends and influence people. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most important principles from Dale Carnegie's classic book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. These principles have helped millions of people to improve their relationships and achieve their goals. The first principle is to be genuinely interested in other people. This means taking the time to get to know them, listening to them, and understanding their interests. When you're genuinely interested in other people, they're more likely to be interested in you. The second principle is to smile. Smiling is a simple way to make a good impression and put people at ease. It also shows that you're friendly and approachable. The third principle is to remember people's names. This shows that you care about them and that you're paying attention to them. When you remember someone's name, it makes them feel special. A person shaking hands with another person and saying their name. The fourth principle is to be a good listener. This means paying attention to what people are saying, asking questions, and showing that you're interested in what they have to say. When you're a good listener, people feel respected and valued. The fifth principle is to talk in terms of the other person's interests. This means finding common ground with people and talking about things that they're interested in. When you talk in terms of the other person's interests, they're more likely to be interested in what you have to say. These are just a few of the most important principles from How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you follow these principles, you'll be well on your way to improving your relationships and achieving your goals. So what are you waiting for? Start practicing these principles today and see the difference they make in your life. Thank you. Thank you for viewing, liking, commenting, and subscribing.